legendary gangster. The will to kill, everything up, my roots are still. Do it big time, march through the desert and shine. Let the seeds live free while we open the minds of every black man, white man. No color, my right hand is like dynamite, I fight for land. Plus banjo, getting money, affect the plan. To travel through Beijing and head up Japan. Hoods everywhere, bring the goods and gear. And teach them how to hold mics and grow them beards. Then stop, check my brothers and my sisters in Africa. We know that stairs, yes, we've been acting up. Bush fucked the world up and left our soldiers out in Iraq, blessed them with roses. Foes try to approach, we roast them goats. We terrorize the city, but forget the quotes.
Bravo, bravo. Let's get nigga in here, man. 1, 2, 3, stop playing. It's going down, man. For real, man. It's going down. Let's start the show. Come on, come on.
They trying to take us back to Reaganomics, use atomic bombs on Islamic countries to stop them from being Islamic. But Islam is a way of life, Islam is the way of Christ. Islam means peace, the beast must pay a price for its wickedness. Politics is the trickiest business on this planet. The bandits are the slipperiest snakes to ever slither. You ever stop to consider who's pulling these strings? From Napoleon to Hitler, is there an unseen hand with the unseen plan? The unclean man from the unclean land. Desire to kill the righteous, dumb down the brightest. Give us life in this world that seems so lifeless. Put a price on things that are priceless. Convince us that meanness is stronger than the nicest. Who really has the power? Is it theirs? Is it ours? Is it democracy or demonic prowlers? Do we have a press or president? Is it a test or a testament? Pest or pestilence? Who got the evidence? Who got the common sense? Stop all the negligence.
Word up, man. Black song, man. Black song, come on.
I oversee the world. Taught many many things. I molded rappers and taught them how to be. Chef, the senator of thoughts, democratic guest, symbolic to a flavor that was brought about